Hi viewers, welcome to Jerry's Decor. Today in this video I will share some beautiful ideas of living room designs. If you are thinking that how to decorate a living room, so the answer is that you can create interest through scale and textures. Pattern is a great way to introduce character to a living room decoration. It can be used to define a space and change the tone of different areas. For example, you might want a bolder pattern of upholstery in a formal living area with a constant pattern used in adjacent snug. The key is to start with a fabric that has a striking pattern featuring more than three colors. From that fabric, choose the colors to be used in the scheme, then select a combination of design in that palette, perhaps a stripe, geometry, a floral, and a textural option such as quartz linen or herringbone. You can create a wall texture too. The space above the couch itself can often be forgotten, but it needs just as much attention as other living room ideas. You can choose prints that coordinate with the overall scheme of the living room and hang it in an assortment of matching frames. You can group in odd numbers to create harmony and visual interest, or play around with a symmetrical look to create balance. You can make a statement, go bold, and inject colors with a mix of textures and prints. If you have got a plain backdrop, you can go for a vibrant couch, such as a shade of striking blue, and dress it with a collection of contrasting cushions for a real visual feast. And don't neglect the area under your feet. You can add a patterned rug to anchor the space. You can invest in a rug underfoot. A tactile rug on top of a wood floor adds a layer of interest and comfort to a living room. Choosing a large rug so you can position all the furniture on it rather than half on, half off, which is distracting. In a large open plan room, a rug can define the seating area. If there is a signature piece of furniture, for example, a chair, pick a rug with an accent of blue to make the chair stand out. You can let the light in. A defined or refined palette or soft colors and pared back style gives this modern family living area uncluttered feels. Note the color punch supplied by the pattern rug, which adds interest and warmth to the room, and the filmy curtains that allows light into the room. A quick and easy way to turn your window into a decorative feature is to introduce trimmings to existing curtains. For pattern curtains, find a trim that complements the prints and use it to add an interesting border. Whilst with a plain fabric, you can have a bit more fun. Use the trim to create a stripe effect across fabrics, creating a unique design feature. You can use lighting for dramatic effect too, like chandeliers and pendants are popular living room lighting ideas for dramatic effects, but they don't need to be in the center of a room. Try hanging a pendant low over a desk of a table, or perhaps three blown glass spheres suspended at different heights in a corner. Using a pendant is an unusual way can add a fun layer to your lighting scheme. You can pick a stand out piece of furniture. Just a single piece of living room furniture can transform a living room scheme. It needn't be as bold as the sideboard above. It may be shapely from a contrasting period, or to took it different way. It may be that you can add a single broadly colored piece that's an utter contrast to your living room paint ideas. This will require some bravery, experimentation, and willingness to admit when you have got it wrong. You can keep it neat and tidy. Modern life requires that our main room of the home fulfill a magnitude or functions, so well planned living room storage is a key when designing and planning a living room. Good storage is essential in a family room, and this shelving unit provides generous space for displaying favorite objects, books, and photographs, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.